this is how the shorts fit. I really like the fit of it. Like, it's not too tight, it has room, you know, and it's still quite fitted. So like this, I'm wearing this with a bodysuit now, and I love how it don't have no, you know, hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I don't think I lost it. I can't find my vlogging stick, so you guys just caught right now in my bathroom. I wanted to show you guys my hair. Well, it kind of pull up now, but yeah. So today I'm gonna go do my corona test because I'm trying to fly away. But honestly, I don't know how the day is gonna go. I'm trying to stay positive, but life is just hard right now. You know them cycle in life where no matter what you do, things just go wrong, but you just can't do nothing to stop the things going wrong. And there's no lesson to be learned in the things going wrong. You just have to I don't know what you have to do. You just have to tug it out. That's where I am right now. But we still alive. Barely. Barely, bitch. So I'm gonna try to vlog my day without a vlog stick and show you guys. I don't even know what this vlog is gonna be called, but honestly, we move. It's just past 7 now in the morning. I just thought, let me start the day early, just get the bullshit over with. Corona test is so expensive. The cheapest one is £100, and they range from 100, 150, 200, 250. It's just a mess. I don't even like, I didn't even say that. Let me do my edges. Where could my vlogging stick be? That's the thing. Like, there's not that many places for you to be hiding. So where are you? You know, certain things in life just need a tracker. That need a tracker. My phone need a tracker. My glasses need a tracker. The keys to my house need a tracker. That would just save me a lot of time in this lifetime. If I know I could just boop and it just make a noise. But I'm just wait for it to show up because I'm done looking for it. Well, yeah, let's go do the Rona test. Do you know what I mean? I'm hoping to make it clear, people. Ready? Thank you. The test never that bad, but it is more intense than when we did do it the last time. And that was at a driving center for the government. I didn't even tap it in, it just says remove. Did it work? No? It just says remove. Work now? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so the results will be emailed to me, yeah? Thank you so much for your time. No worries, bye. Okay guys, once something of that done, what else do I have left to do? I need to return some parcels. I know I have things to do that just not come to my brain. Broke my neck for come a super drug not even oat me yet. I can't wait for the place to go back to normal, boy. I can't wait. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. DJ there. I try to help me fix up my life. My day I pack. And listen to someone say it would be a good vlog if I show you on my pack. So I have like the packing show on our pack. Yeah, she could have go. So the suitcase is empty now. I got some of my stuff here and I also have some on the chair. So with the suitcase now, it has this little hidden storage area which I absolutely love because it comes in so handy. I normally put stuff under here that is of high value just because sometimes, like, no, I don't remember the code on the suitcase and I'm gonna have to buy a lock. So while I'm waiting for the lock to be bought and stuff, I just feel a lot more secure having my valuables under here. So like any spare laptop, phone, chargers, anything like that would normally go under here, gadgets and stuff. And I also put my slippers under here, my shoes as well, because with the worn shoes, like I don't like when the bottom of my shoes mix up with my good clothes them. So at least if the shoes under here, it kind of just keep the dust and everything. And with my camera, obviously I have a camera case, so it's not like my valuables get mixed up with the dirty things them, you know. So once you put all the shoes under here, like my heels, I'm gonna take my heels out from up here and just put them under here. Sometimes I'll put the wigs under there as well, but like when I go somewhere warm, I'm not gonna do that. So let's just put all the shoes that we have up here under there. So guys, I was gonna say when I'm packing, I like to make sure that I tape up all of the rim of stuff that can leak out, especially when I'm going to warmer countries, because you know with heat, like you know with stuff like shea butter or like coconut oil, in the cold it solidifies and it hardens, but once it goes into a warmer temperature, it goes into a warmer country, it literally just melts, and when it melts it can just leak out and ruin your clothes. So I like to tape these up. This is my face mask and I got some shampoo and some conditioner here. I like to bring these stuff because even though I'm staying at a hotel for some of this trip, I just like to make sure that my sanitary and my toiletries, I just always have them on board, because not all the time I go to a hotel, well so far I've liked all of them, but not all the time when you go to stay with someone, like they use the same scents as you or you'd like their scents. So I always like to walk with my own stuff for those reasons. You package that? I'm a things that. Yes, Jaja. Hello? Wait there. Open the door. Open the door, sir. Yeah guys, I had to change the battery, so I was saying, let me try scrolling. This doesn't go on the tripod. So I was saying, now that I lay the bottom and I'm finished with that, what the next stage that I do is that I lay around the end of the suitcase, like the edges, like here. So here now is like the thicker clothes, or I just roll up the clothes so that it cushion the edges, just so that when they're handling up the suitcase and throwing it and mixing it, like all my stuff inside don't get damaged. So once I finish pad around it now, only this side left for do. This side don't pad, this side don't pad. Once I finish padded around it now, in the middle I'm gonna put like my nice clothes, cause with Jamaica customs, if they see all your new clothes on top, they're gonna want to tax you, and you're basically gonna have to pay the same money that you paid for the clothes. So you're gonna have to pay for the stuff twice. So like my good bikinis and stuff, everything will have tags on it. Like them stuff there, me'll pop off the tag them first, and then I just fold up the clothes, put it in here. If I bring anything for anybody, put it in here, and then I put the old clothes them pan top. Like the yard clothes them now, I go pan top, and then pan top I that now, and normally just sprinkle some sanitary products because Jamaica man I like go dig up them something there. So guys, I feel malnourished. Why? You're not eat good? No. Oh, dehydrated. They just send know the water in the fridge. Go on for the water now?
You know when you go to people's house, it don't matter.
I'm at house.
Man, you know so you know you
no, me know what you mean. Alright, so you feel so yes, sir?
Come and tell me I'm kidding.
Just say you're tired and don't tell the people I was excuse. Say you're tired.
I'm tired, water.
Alright, man, go fix soon. Guys, me say that's what the DJ say. Me just tell them what go on and them middle car and go for the water. They were done. So me just say I like bringing these small travel size bottles because even though I'm going on a long vacation, on that vacation sometimes I have smaller trips, like if I go stay with a family for a day or friends for a day or Airbnb, or maybe sometimes I look hotel. Well, maybe the hotel, but you know why I say hotel now, this you have to speak it, you have to, you know, manifest it. Sometimes we can stay on a local hotel and I like just pouring in my products and just walking with them because it's not everybody they want to use them body wash and them things, you know, you have to have your other things. So this is normally perfect for like a quick like a 5-day trip. Like you're not gonna use more product than this. So I actually got this one from Primark, but you can definitely get this on Amazon, and it was only £1 on Primark, so pretty cheap but very useful. So another thing, I use this to store my makeup when I'm traveling. Well, I use it even here now. So basically it's quite flat now, and what happens is that I'm going to place all my liquid and my powder makeup here, and then when I pull the ends it's going to form like that. And then this is now my makeup pouch, and whenever I'm getting ready I just take it out, put it on the table, lay it flat. I have everything. When I'm done and ready to go, I just scoop. There you go. So this is a good investment. I got mine from Amazon. I also have a brush holder, which has been a good investment so far. It's really easy when I can just lay out my makeup, brushes, lay out my makeup, see everything, and just have my own little vanity area even when I'm not inside my own house. It's quite cool to be able to do that, so I'd recommend those to you guys. Then guys, with the shorts, like basically I wanted 2 pair of shorts, right? But I looked on Pretty Little Thing, and Pretty Little Thing, like one short was for one short was $19.99, so £20. And then I went on Zara, and Zara had the same one short for $19.99. So I'm saying I'm gonna just get the shorts from Zara because Zara give you a better quality than Pretty Little Thing, and also I feel like Zara shorts fit better, and also the structure, like everything just make more sense with Zara. Like look on the look of detail and you understand. You buy on shorts from Pretty Little Thing now, you just get the same cut. Zara, I give you a little, you know, a little something. And here's another one. So I'm going to try on this. Okay, so guys, I just came in the bathroom because I can't bother. So this is how the shorts fit. So yeah, so I really like the fit of it. Like it's not too tight, it has room, you know, and it's still quite fitted. So like this, I'm wearing this with a bodysuit now, and I love how it don't have no, you know, clump up here, so cause it's too tight. Like it's literally the perfect fit. And this is a, I think this is the 6. But you see how Mr. Zara like shorts just fit better, like Pretty Little Thing. Like I promise you, the crotches would either be too long or it would be too short, and you'll have all of the little grip like this. Like I love when the clothes them just fit. Okay, it's gonna I could definitely get the size 6 in this. But it can't work. I'm turning on my look. Can't turn on my look. This can give me a nice look, a rich modern girl, clueless kind of look, you know? Like a little country girl kind of look. So it could have definitely said the size 6, but I'm gonna get back my weight and I'm gonna fold this up in a no time. By the time I put this on back in 3 weeks, I'm gonna see how I fold it up. But for now, I like how it fit, but I can't squeeze up my belly, I can't eat food, and it's gonna still fit me. I'm gonna have to, you know, pull my button. Guys, so like how we're trying that now and we sure see them fit. I'm going to now remove the tags, fold them up nice, and put them in the middle of the suitcase. Whenever I'm going to a hot country, I like to bring at least 1 or 2 long sleeve and thick item, because even though in the tropical even though sometimes when you're in a tropical region, like sometimes you have cold fronts, or like you might go up in the hill and you might have chilly nights. So I've got this cute, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's almost like a little structure top, and it have this little wiring thing, detail on it, long sleeve thick. It's from Zara as well, and the quality is really good. So this would look really nice with a pair of shorts and some heels. You can dress it up, or you can also wear it casual on a day, even if it's cold, with some mom jeans. I also need to pack my jeans, I just forgot about those. This is a new favorite of mine. Liz bought this one for me because I was too busy. And Deja literally brought one as well, because she heard me talking about it. And Deja brought me one. But you literally can't travel without this, especially a black girl. So guys, we're having the Nike Bravo. And we're having some DJ freeze. That used to be a show that and this. When DJ left up that, I'm showing her the kebab would lift it up and show them there. So what the kebab look like. So she can just make it in a wrap, or she can just eat it with the chips on the side. Guys, we're gonna eat some food, so we're just gonna update on what I do. So guys, just an update. I finished pack and the suitcase couldn't lock, so I'm going back to my old style. Normally when I have long trips, she bad. She bad. No, I'm not take it off. I just glue it up. I peel off. She popping at then at the zip it is stuck.
No, without the feel that would look bad. I feel that'd be too much for me.
No man, she with the short ear, but for me with the short ear she do enough. Cause she just like she come up in my face. Anyway, so yeah guys. Yeah. So we change back the plan. I go back to my 2 suitcase them. So that part there, the suitcase was ice up so. Wait there. That part there, that literally the ice up part, the mountain will make it can't close. Where I transfer those things to this new suitcase. And then we're done for the night. I ate that because everything else done sort out. So I'm probably not gonna hear back from you guys. I'm gonna end the vlog now, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm never showing them more personal check on bag, because I probably put it in the next vlog when I travel again, not this trip. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see my trap, my pack, my personal luggage. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.